Hi. So in this video, we are going to learn the top 11 mistakes what makeup artists do while applying the foundation. So there are many things because of which your base goes wrong, and few of the things we are going to see in these 11 points. ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स मेकअप आर्टिस्ट फेस करते हैं जब वो एक बेस प्रिपेयर करना चाहते हैं. सो पहले तो हम लोग थोड़ा सा इसका बैकग्राउंड देखते हैं. जो भी परफेक्शन आपको मेकअप में चाहिए, दैट बिगिंस विद द राइट कोचिंग. Okay, I'm using the word coaching because only training won't help. What is coaching? Coaching is something different than training, and it's more one-on-one. A makeup coach has to coach you, has to correct you, has to show you. So that is what is coaching. So let's begin with this video. My name is Kalyani Umrani. And if you have not subscribed to my channel on YouTube, it's Kalyani Umrani Education. Please do subscribe, like, and share with more of your makeup artist friends. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do follow me by Kalyani_Umrani. So let's begin. So the first mistake what generally Indian makeup artists do is they add orange to every skin type and color. So जो भी इंडियन मेकअप आर्टिस्ट है उनको बताया गया है वीटी स्किन दिखी तो ऑरेंज डाल देना है. जी नहीं, टू मच ऑफ ऑरेंज इज गोइंग टू मेक योर मेकअप लुक वेरी वार्म एंड इट्स गोइंग टू स्पॉइल द ओवरऑल इफेक्ट. So you have to know exactly which areas needs orange and what gradation of orange. Is it the light orange or the dark orange? All right. और क्या quantity में लगाना है, उसको कितना blend करना है. Is that orange later making your base gray? So you have to understand a lot of things around this use of orange. Then unclear about product and skin compatibility. Because ये सिखाया ही नहीं जाता कि जो बेस प्रोडक्ट है उसका कंपैटिबिलिटी पाउडर के साथ कैसा है, जो प्राइमर है उसका कंपैटिबिलिटी आपके जो फाउंडेशन है उसके साथ कैसा है, या द प्राइमर यू आर यूजिंग. दिस we use lot of good products, or I don't know who all are listening to this video, but everybody has a makeup kit depending on what budget they want to invest in their makeup kit. So everything depends on that. So if you have very good base but you don't invest in the right primer or a right pre-base, then that is also not going to help you. Okay, so that is important. Then if the skin is uneven, बहुत सारे मेकअप आर्टिस्ट एक बेस में ही उसको कवर करना चाहते हैं, which is not correct, and that's going to show either the eyes to be little smaller. Like हम लोग क्लाइंट से ये कभी कमेंट सुनते कि मेरी आंखें चाइनीज दिखने लगी, मेरे लाइंस आने लगी, या आंखें बहुत छोटी हो गई पिक्चर्स में. द मेकअप वाज लुकिंग गुड इन फोटोग्राफ्स बट रियलिटी में मेकअप बहुत अलग दिख रहा था. सो बिकॉज यू ट्राई टू कवर द स्किन इन जस्ट one shade, which is also not right if the skin shows a lot of different tones. Then very important, if you do not pre-cleanse the skin thoroughly. क्लाइंट की हल्दी हो गई है या उसने पहले कुछ मेकअप किया है एंड यू स्टार्ट डूइंग द मेकअप इमीडिएटली, that is also wrong. So you need to know the pre-cleansing steps properly. What kind of cleanser you are using? Is it water based? Is it oil based? How it is affecting the makeup? Is it really removing the entire eye makeup which is before, or you are just keep on applying the makeup over it? So just make sure you do a good pre-cleanse and you know about it. Then few makeup artists do not use primer by face mapping. They just buy one primer and they apply it all over the face. That is not the method of using primer. There are different primer for different face zones. That's what I said, face mapping. There is a technique you apply. You have to wait in between. You have to let it settle, let it absorb, and let it do its work. It's not just application of primer one over the another. So that is also very important. Mix and match duplicate and cheap products with few best ones. Lot of people do this. They try to show their customers that they are using MAC and Bobbi Brown as the best products, and underlying they put some cheap products, or sometimes they end up buying these products from a duplicate local market or some online portal where these products they get cheap. So this is going to hamper the result of your base. what happens is, why I chose this video is because I train a lot of people for last 25 years. I'm into this industry. And what happens is, when I start training people on advanced courses, or we are a CDESCO school, we do a lot of international courses, people go wrong in the base or in the foundation. लोगों को पता ही नहीं है कि क्या और कैसे यूज करना है. लोगों को क्राइलॉन ब्रांड है और उसके अंडर सुप्रा, डर्मा, पैनस्टिक, अल्ट्रा है, ये पता नहीं रहता. उनको लगता है सुप्रा कलर एक ब्रांड है और डर्मा कलर एक कंसीलर है. इट्स नॉट दैट वे. यू हैव टू हैव अ गुड ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम. All right. Seventh mistake, use of excessive water. Fixer, too much of fixer on face, too much of hydration or primer. What is happening is, people are watching a lot of videos on Instagram. आप लोग बहुत videos देखते हो Insta पे, YouTube पे, which are the half done edited video where the makeup artist is spraying water or fixer or hydration spray and they are giving best result. So what you catch from that is, मुझे भी ऐसे करना है. बट कौन सा फिक्सर यूज कर रहे हैं? फिक्सर यूज कर रहे हैं कि हाइड्रेटिंग स्प्रे यूज कर रहे हैं या पानी का स्प्रे यूज कर रहे हैं? यू डोंट नो दैट. हाउ वेट इज द स्पॉन्ज? हाउ वेट इज द ब्लेंडर? Is the person actually squeezing out the blender, or he is taking the wet dripping blender? What it is behind the video, you don't know, because all these videos what you see in 1 minute reel or these few minutes YouTube videos are all the edited ones. We also take online classes, we also take online video lectures. We have a pre-recorded class, but the classes are like 3 hours and 4 hours long videos, because we have not skipped a single step, because this is very important for you as a student to know. Eighth mistake, uneven pressure of fingertips or tools on face. The first thing I do when I teach my students when they come to the class is understanding the textures of foundation, understanding with fingertips and making your brain realize how a texture of supra color is, how a texture of derma color is, what is a pan stick, how a pancake looks. So your fingertip and your brain has to have a connection. It's not just the tools what you buy. It is not just the big brands what promise with the beauty blender what you have and you just get going with the makeup. It is not so. You have to understand the base with right pressure. You have to understand it with right texture feel as well. Ninth mistake, lack of knowledge of various textures, consistency and compatibility of product. So textures, as I said, whether this is a HD foundation, whether it's a basic supra color, whether it's a derma color, what is the consistency? Uska consistency kya hai? Ye oily क्यों लग रहा है? ये मैंने अगर डर्मा फाउंडेशन, डर्मा का जो बेस है, फाउंडेशन है, प्रोडक्ट है लगाया, उसको मुझे पाउडर कौन सा लगाना है? Am I using an anti-shine powder or am I using a derma powder or I'm using a compact? You need to be told, you need to be given a knowledge on that. Uska compatibility kaisa hai? Hand in hand when you use this product, how are they going to be? Let me share one just recent experience. What I was counseling. I don't do too much of counseling for courses now. I have counselors working with me, but a girl came to me and she said she joined some class and there she was taught on Krylon. All right. And then for exams, they asked her to get her own kit. I don't know why people give the products for entire class and for exams, they ask you to get your own kit, because it's just one model what you have to do. And all the products are just lying with her now. So what we do in our academy, what practice we follow, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, आपको पूरे क्लास में हम लोग products देते हैं till your exam. Even if you're doing any fashion shows, shoots or brides with us, whatever you're doing, we will provide you all the product. What happened is that girl used the class ka products and then she went to some local supplier in Pune. She purchased one Supra color palette. All right. So when she took Supra color palette, she did the makeup and that was not up to the mark. वो लड़की जब मेरे पास आई तो मैंने उसको पूछा कि क्या प्रॉब्लम हुई थी, कैन आई हेल्प यू, वेयर यू वेंट रॉन्ग. सो शी सेड, मैडम मैंने जो पैलेट लिया वो बहुत ऑयली था. ओके, सो मैंने उनको पूछा, ओके, सुप्रा कलर इज मेंट टू बी लिटिल क्रीमी एंड लिटिल ऑयली, बिकॉज हम लोग भी सुप्रा पे सिखाते. तो मैंने उसको पूछा, आपने ऑयली स्किन पे मेकअप किया क्या? एंड शी सेड, यस मैम, सुप्रा यूज करके मैंने ऑयली स्किन पे मेकअप किया. सो आई सेड, व्हाट डिड योर इंस्ट्रक्टर से? सो उन्होंने कहा, इंस्ट्रक्टर ने कहा ये डुप्लीकेट प्रोडक्ट हो सकता है. Then I asked her how much you paid for the pallet. She said 3,000 rupees. And 3,000 what she paid for the pallet was definitely the real product cost. And I know the dealer, they sell the original products. And what happened is there was a lot of gap between understanding the texture of product, the pliability of the product, और जो उनके instructor ने उनको बोला कि maybe this is a duplicate product. She got confused. And now she says, I don't know how to use the product. So I asked her whether your teacher has shown you the textures on hand. Have they made you understand by touching, making sure your brain understand how the textures to be, understood? She said, no, I just know the products by numbers. So one point is missing in this video, which could be the 12th point, is people learn foundation on numbers. And that's the worst thing you can do as a makeup teacher or a makeup artist. You should never ever learn any product based on numbers. Our students जो हमारे यहाँ से pass out होते, even if you change the sequence of products in a palette or you just give them some product without the name or label, they can tell you ये oily dry combination कौन से skin के लिए use हो सकता है. So this is the kind of knowledge you should have for base. What is the 10th wrong thing? Choice of wrong blender or foundation brush. There are multiple blenders in market. 50 रुपए से लेके 100 रुपए, 400 रुपए, 500 रुपए. And if you go to buy like Real Techniques and all, तो और भी महंगे आपको blenders मिलेंगे. Higher the price blender, better the quality. Higher the price foundation brush or tools, best quality. Never ever compromise on cheap, because I believe cheap and best कभी भी exist नहीं होता. Cheap and best will never ever exist. So if you buy some local beauty blender, it will take away all the product. It won't leave it on the skin. It won't give you that finished blending. If you use a foundation brush purchased from some local market, some cheap wholesale market, or if you purchase from some online brand which is offering you 500 में इतने brushes या 1500 में बहुत सारे brushes, definitely you're going wrong. All right. So buy good brands, the best brands. Beautylicious hai, PAC hai, Vega also has few good brushes. Bobbi Brown, MAC, Krylon has very good brushes. So go for best quality beauty blender. Forever 52 has good beauty blender. I use Real Techniques. I use QT Beauty. There's so many good blenders. Invest in good tools. Those are the channels through which you are going to get best results for your makeup. And last and the most important thing is over blending or under blending. That point has to be added. Few people blend makeup excessive and few people don't blend makeup in the right way or in the right amount. So that's very, very important for you to understand how much you're blending. And this starts with right training. So as I said in the beginning, everything will count on what kind of training you are getting, what kind of products you are using, आप कौन से products use कर रहे हो. काफी बार ऐसे होता है, लोगों को क्विक कोर्स चाहिए, लोगों को सस्ते में कोर्स चाहिए, एंड दे एंड अप लर्निंग नथिंग. सो मेरे पास काफी लोग ऐसे आते हैं कि मैडम हम लोगों ने 50,000 इन्वेस्ट किए और हमको कुछ नहीं आता. सी 50,000 इज नथिंग इन टूडेज वर्ल्ड फॉर अ लॉन्ग टर्म ड्यूरेशन कोर्स. सो आई आस्क्ड देम कितने महीने का कोर्स था, एंड दे से लाइक 30,000 में मैंने 3 महीने का कोर्स किया, 50,000 में मैंने 2 मंथ्स का कोर्स किया जिसमें हेयर ड्रेपिंग सब कुछ था, बट मुझे कुछ नहीं आता. सी द क्वालिटी ऑफ प्रोडक्ट जो आपकी टीचर आपको दे रही है, द क्वालिटी ऑफ कोचिंग आपकी जो टीचर दे रही है, उसके लिए उनको एक ट्रेनर अपॉइंट करना है, उसके लिए उनको प्रोडक्ट में इन्वेस्ट करना है. आई डोंट नो इफ यू आर टेकिंग योर प्रोडक्ट्स और यू आर यूजिंग देयर प्रोडक्ट्स, बट हम लोग सारे प्रोडक्ट्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं. Because the student has to first understand what has to be used and what they should not use. So a proper list is given, a proper exposure to a lot of products is given. You can watch our other videos on YouTube wherein हम लोगों ने explain किया है कि कितने सारे products हम लोग practice के लिए रखते हैं. Because it is very important at initial stage आपके फील में, आपके हैंडलिंग में, आपके पूरा एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ द क्लास में काफी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स यू मस्ट यूज. एंड डोंट गो फॉर सम some short-term fulfillment. You have to at least learn and practice for 3-4 months on your foundations and all the other feature aspects of makeup, and then only you will get perfect. So do share this video with your friends. Do, as I said, please subscribe to our channel. And I invite you for a 7 days, 6 days masterclass. It's Monday to Saturday in our academy. You can inquire at the numbers flashing below, and we will help you to get better and better in your makeup. So thank you for watching this, and I will see you in the next video.